Today, I shall discuss the difference between petrol engine and diesel engine. Let's start first the petrol engine. Now, consider this is the cylinder. This is cylinder head. Now, it having two valves. One is inlet valve, this is inlet valve, this is outlet valve. And the piston can move up to that. This piston cannot move up to the end of this cylinder because there is the valve arrangement. So if it reach to this head, then the damage of valve will occur. So this is the clearance. Is the clearance. Clearance, and this volume is called the clearance volume. Clearance volume. Now for petrol engine, the fuel which is supplied during the suction process is the mixture of petrol, petrol plus air. This is the mixture of petrol and air which will enter to this clearance volume. When piston will at this position. Now this mixture takes place to a device which is look like this device is called carburetor. This device is called carburetor. Through this device, petrol can pass or enter to this line, and this is the air. This air and petrol fuel mixture will pass through this line and enter to this clearance volume. Okay. Now it having another system which is called spark plug. This is the ignition system that is called the spark plug. Spark plug. When this piston move from this TDC to BDC through this line, this is a suction process. At that time, this petrol air mixture entered to this chamber and the spark is applied by the spark plug and the combustion will take place. Combustion, that is bursting, will take place here to produce the huge amount of heat and temperature will rise. Okay. Now for this spark plug is required a system. This system is called the ignition system. Ignition system. That may be by battery system or any other mechanical system. By this ignition system, the spark is produced. This is the spark plug. The spark will produce and combustion will take place. So we can say that for petrol engine, there is a mixture, air and petrol mixture is supplied to this chamber, and spark plug will ignite this mixture to produce the combustion. Now this outlet valve at the end, that is exhaust process, at the exhaust process, this outlet valve will open when the piston will move from BDC to TDC. At that time, the combustible product, this combustible product will exit. This is combustible gas will release or exit through this outlet valve. So this inlet valve, through this the air mixture will enter and the spark plug will give the ignition of this gas, that is air mixture, and by this outlet valve this combustible gas will release, so that this combustible gas release, so that it will clear and further recycle will done by receiving this petrol and air. Now in this petrol engine, the combustion take place in constant volume process. That is, V is constant. So this engine, this petrol engine run by, petrol engine run by Otto cycle. As in the Otto cycle, constant volume process and the combustion take place in petrol engine, we have to consider this is the constant volume process. So this engine run by the Otto cycle. Okay. Now next is diesel engine. I am drawing further the figure . And there will be also another valve that is called the fuel valve. This is fuel valve. Fuel valve denoted by FV. Okay. At the inlet valve, air will enter. Air will enter by this fuel valve. We know this air will enter to this chamber by suction process, that is from TDC to BDC movement of this piston. This air will enter, and after that this inlet valve is closed. Inlet valve is closed and compression take place. Compression take place. Then the compression take place. When the compression take place, the air will compressed very high pressure, so temperature will increase. Temperature at this volume that is clearance volume, and air temperature at this clearance volume will increase very high. So at that time, if fuel is supplied or fuel is spraying by the use of pump, this is the pumping system, a pump, this is called the fuel pump. Fuel pump. This fuel pump supply the diesel through this line, and it spray to this air which is compressed. Further, I am saying the fuel pump supply the diesel through this line, and it spray to this chamber with a pressure in the compressed air. So combustion will take place. A combustion will take place and huge amount of heat will produce. Now you can see that in the diesel engine, the air is first entered through the inlet valve and it compressed. After the compression process, this diesel is sprayed to this chamber. But in case of the petrol engine, you can see that this fuel and air mixture is entered to the suction process, not after the compression process. It reached to the suction process, and after the compression process, the ignition process take place. But here, huge amount of heat will produced at the time of compression of the air, and for the burning, just this fuel is supplied. No spark plug or spark is required. No ignition system is required for diesel engine. Okay, just automatically the diesel will burn due to the compression of this air. When this fuel entered to this chamber, automatically it will burn. Okay, and there is another outlet, the exit valve will open during the exhaust process. So at the exhaust process, the combustible gas will exit. So you can see that for petrol engine, there is a mixture of petrol and air is supplied, but in case of diesel engine, the air line and the fuel, that is diesel line, are different, so that it will not be mixed. In the carburetor, you can see this. Here the mixing of air and petrol take place. So at the carburetor, the mixture of air, fuel take place. Okay. Now for this diesel engine, that there is note, the combustion take place in constant pressure process. Because the combustion process, the piston will not stay at the same point, so it will move. Therefore, the pressure is constant. Okay, as this piston is moving not constant position, so pressure will constant. So in this case the pressure is constant. As this combustion process is constant pressure process, so diesel engine run by diesel cycle. Okay. Now I am going to the difference between petrol and diesel engine. The petrol engine can use the mixture of air and petrol. So first of all, it use mixture of air and fuel, which is received through inlet valve. Next, it used air only through inlet valve. Here air plus fuel mixture is compressed. Here only air is spark is required. Spark plug is required. Here fuel injector is required. Injection system is required. Here fuel pump is required. Here carburetor is required. Here no carburetor is required. In case of petrol engine, no fuel supply after the compression process, but In the diesel engine, after the compression of the air, the fuel is supplied. So, no fuel is supplied after compression. Process. But in case of diesel engine, fuel is supplied or injected after compression. Process. In case of petrol engine, the combustion takes place due to the sparking the air fuel mixture. Due to the sparking of the air fuel mixture. So, combustion takes place due to sparking the air fuel mixture. Sparking into the air fuel mixture. In case of diesel engine, the combustion takes place due to fuel spraying on the high compressed air. So this is the difference between petrol and diesel engine.